Hi guys, welcome to Informational Writing for week 4. So last week we basically went through the whole process of writing informational writing. We started with an outline where I gave you the subtopics for a main topic, and our main topic was the honey badger. And then we researched information for each of those subtopics. Then we practiced writing lead sentences for our introduction. And then we actually tried to write our informational writing. We wrote a paragraph, and so that was just to help us get started, just to get something going. But so this week we are going to take it quite a few steps back, and we're going to go right back to making the outline. And for the whole week, we're going to just focus on brainstorming subtopics. You can see where I just highlighted. So brainstorming subtopics. So when we're writing informational writing, we'll be writing about a main topic, which could be anything. It could be a type of food. It could be the history of a place. It could be about computers. It could be about literally anything. But the point is, we have a main topic, and our subtopics, subtopic 1, 2, and 3, those subtopics, which would be in the middle of our writing, those are the big ideas that we want to write about to explore the main topic. For example, when we did the honey badger, if I put in the honey badger in my main topic, that's fine. And say I was just to start writing about the honey badger, I could just start writing the honey badger is a crazy animal. It's very vicious. It attacks lions. It eats larvae found in the honey and beehives. I could just keep writing and writing, but that's not really organized, is it? So the subtopics, it, it's the big ideas that we want to write about to explore our main topic. But why the point is we make these because subtopics help organize our writing, both for the people who are going to read our writing or listen to our writing, and for us as the writers. So I'm going to just show you an example of how I would come up with subtopics. So pay very close attention to this because I know some people aren't watching the lessons very carefully. So today, all you are going to have to do is come up with a subtopic 1, a subtopic 2, and a subtopic 3. But you're going to do that by listing possible subtopics for a main topic. Let me show you an example. So, say I wanted to write a piece of informational writing. What do I want to write about? What do I like? Well, I was thinking of some things, and I love the country Italy. I got to live there last summer. Hopefully, trying to go there this summer again. I love the country Italy. So, say I wanted to write about Italy. You don't know where Italy is. That's what it looks like on the map. Italy's in Europe. There's just some quick Google pictures of places in Italy. So, say I want to write about the country of Italy. Now, that's a big topic. Like, I could write about anything. Like, what do I want to write about Italy? I could write about art. I could write about people. I could write about places in Italy. I could write about food from Italy. I could write about anything, the history of Italy. So I want to just write about Italy in general, like an informational overview of the country. So, in this box right here, possible subtopics, what are the big ideas that I could write about? What are my possible subtopics? Well, I already said a few of them. I could write, what do I know about countries? Countries have cities, and there's some really important cities in Italy. So one possible subtopic is cities. Cities in Italy. What else could I write about? I could write about Italian food. Write about. I could write about famous people in it from Italy. Famous or important people. I could talk about the climate. Climate means like weather. I could talk about the climate in Italy. I'll put weather too. What else could I write about this place? I have cities, Italian food, famous important people, climate or the weather. I could write about I could write about a brief history, how it became a country. So this isn't very difficult. It's just thinking of ideas, quick ideas. Like what are the big ideas that I could possibly write about my main topic? And mine was Italy. So here I did five. So you can come up with five too. But we're not going to stop here. This is just to like this first box, possible subtopics. That's just to brainstorm. It's to brainstorm a little bit more than we need, which is always good because then now when I put it in my outline right here, now I can choose three of these. And what three am I going to choose? Well, one, they should all make sense together, right? Like, say I had one. If I did subtopic one was Italian food, say subtopic two I did was like Italian desserts, and then if I just did randomly subtopic three was famous people in Italy, those three don't exactly go together. So it's like almost like you either want three that kind of go together or three that are like related to the same main topic. And since my main topic is just the country of Italy, I think I just want to give overview. I think I want to do of a I think I would do so I would choose cities. I would choose famous important people. I'm actually even going to change that one a bit. Famous important historical people. I even change people to figures, historical figures. And then I'll go history of. I could do history of how it became a country. So you see how I chose, and the reason I chose those three is because, well, they they kind of fit together. They don't not fit together, and also I think I could write a paragraph about each of those subtopics, those big ideas. So just real quick, what you guys are going to do again is you're going to choose. I'm going to give you guys a main topic. I'm going to give you a main topic. You are going to come up with the subtopics. You're going to come up with five of them. You're going to brainstorm five of them. And then finally, you're going to choose three of those five. And you want to choose three that you think you could write big, uh, a, that you could write a whole paragraph about. So, five possible subtopics, and then you're going to choose three of those five, and you want to choose the three best ones that you think you could write a lot about that also fit together. And so your main topic will be here. And I think I've been thinking I'm going to give you guys, we'll move on from animals because we were doing the honey badger. And I was just doing Italy as an example. But how about we do, I was thinking we could do how about one of the Midwestern states? Let's pull up a map real quick. We've been studying the Midwest. It's our last week with the Midwest this week. We'll choose one of the states. How about we could do Michigan? We'll start with Michigan. So our main topic will be the state of Michigan in the Midwest. Your job will be to come up with possible subtopics and think about all the big ideas you could write about this place. It's a place, it's a state. What are the big ideas we could talk about with this place? And then you're going to make 5 of those and then choose the best 3 and just put them in these 3 boxes right here. Subtopic 1, subtopic 2, subtopic 3. Choose the best 3 that you think you could write a big paragraph about. And that's it. So you won't be filling this in. I'll make sure this is gray. I'll make sure these are all gray because that's not what we're focused on. Eventually we'll get there. But right now we're just worried about subtopic 1, subtopic 2, and subtopic 3. So we're going to try it with the state. Do your best. Try to think of the big ideas, the subtopics we could talk about with the state of Michigan. And yeah, that should be enough. And you may not know anything about Michigan right now. And that's absolutely fine. That's why we're doing informational writing, because we have to study it. But you could think about a lot of different stuff. You could write about any place, not just Michigan. We're doing Michigan, but think about what you could write about for any place. So good luck with that. I'm looking forward to see what you guys come up with. This will be on your Google Classroom, and I will be on Monday if you have any questions. Good luck, guys.